Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing Durga Puja makeup look. It's typical Bengali with black bold wing eyeliner, which is coming up pretty soon in 10 days. To get this look, then keep on watching. Firstly, I moisturize my skin. Next, I am applying primer on the moisturizer to close my open pores. Next, take makeup concealer palette from purple to hide my dark circles. I am applying on my eyelid and underneath my eyes. After that, I am taking primer. It's also from purple. It's close the open pores and shape our skin. Now I am applying Lakme foundation and blend with foundation brush. Here I am using beauty blender to blend it thoroughly. I am use blender for 2. Blender is access extra product from the paste. That's why I am using beauty blender. After that the brush. For now conceal, I am using Maybelline Age Divine Concealer in shade Fair and applying on high points and blend with beauty blender. It's time to bake the concealer. I am using L'Oreal Compact. After that, I am applying on Maybelline loose powder for not crease the conceal. Now it starts the eye makeup. Draw the arc and fill the gaps between of them. Here I am taking black eyeshadow from Jacqueline palette. If you want sharp look to your brow, then you use the shape to your brow with concealer with sharp pointed brush. Now take transition shade from same palette. I am applying on crease line with round fluffy brush. I blend it within circular motion and wiping motion. Now take dark brown shade with pencil brush and applying on my outer corner of my eyes. Next take red color and apply with fingertips on my eyelid. Now for the liner, I am taking dark black shade from same palette and draw the line. I am taking dark black color from same palette to draw eyeline on eyelash for define wing eyeliner. Now here I am using Nykaa Bold Kajal and apply on my waterline. I smudge out the color with pencil brush and apply red color also on that. Take Lakme eyeliner and draw the sharp point in my eye, inner corner of my eyes. It's time to contour. I contour my face in little bit. Here also I am gives shape to my nose. For a blush, I am taking soft pink color from Swiss Beauty and apply on my apple of my cheek. Now I am dusting out the extra product from my base. Here I am applying highlighter on my high points, bridge of the nose, cupid bones, also on my brow bone. For the lips, I am taking NY lip crayon and draw the line. Also take Maybelline dark lip shade. See the final look. I hope you like this video. Give me big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay tuned. Stay gorgeous. Bye bye.